Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be talking about making money from retouching. Now, as we all know what retouching is, you know, um, professionally editing images. All right, now most of us call it editing, but a more professional word is retouching. All right, so mostly for beauty and commercial work, what we do is retouching. Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money from researching, because I know a lot of us spend hours and hours, spend money on data to learn about retouching, and at the end of the day, we're not making money with it. We're only doing our own photography work. You can be retouching for other people, other photographers that are not even based in your location, and be making money in foreign currency. So today I am going to be telling you a lot about retouching. So if you're ready for this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit the like button and you turn on the post notification so that you can get more videos. So let's get right into. All right, let's get started. So now I want you to understand that retouching is an amazing opportunity that every one of us that know how to use Photoshop, this is an opportunity we all have. Now, I know many retouchers who are not photographers. All right, taking this, my friend, for example, Retouching Noi. All right, he's not a photographer, he's a full-time retoucher, and I'm going to be using his work to give us as an example. This guy makes a lot of money, thousands of dollars monthly, just from retouching. He doesn't even know how to operate the camera. All right, so if you know your way around Photoshop, Lightroom, you can be making a lot of money without having to leave your house. All you just need is electricity and internet connection, and you are good. You are making money right at home. All right, so that's the reason for this video, and I'm going to be explaining all you need to know about making money from retouching. All right, so the first thing you need to know is that you need to develop your skill. You need to develop your skill. There's a lot of money. We have a lot of photographers who have so many jobs, but they don't have the time to edit. You can be editing for them, you can be retouching for them. All right, but first you need to develop yourself. You need to make sure that you know how to retouch very well. So if you don't know that, please go watch videos, learn and practice a lot so that you can be very good, because a lot of photographers are looking for people who are going to make their images come out better. Right, so develop yourself. Then number two is that you need to build a portfolio. Don't expect anybody to book you for retouching if you don't build a portfolio. So look, this is the portfolio of Noe. You can see the images here. So if you see this kind of images, you want to book the person. All right, build your portfolio. All right, build your portfolio. Take your time to build portfolio. Take your time to make sure you have pictures on Instagram and also on Behance.net. All right, this is Noise Behance page. You can see its images. You can see, make sure you have a Behance page. You can see Noise Retouch, beauty photographer, fashion retoucher, beauty and portrait retoucher, and all of that. So make sure you have a portfolio. Then you can see that a lot of us will have a bit of challenge that we don't have access to images. Maybe because you're a retoucher, you don't have a camera. How do you get images to retouch? Now I'm going to show you where to get images to retouch. However, you can get from your friends, but if you want to get images of white ladies, people from other countries, you can come to this website called modemayhem.com. All right, this website, when you come to this website, you click on the forums. When you click on forums, you come down to the digital art and retouching. When you come to digital art and retouching, all right, you would then go to the contest and challenges. So when you come to digital art and retouch, you just come up here, you see contest, challenges, contests and samples. When you click on that, you see a whole lot of threads. All right, you see different raw files. All these are raw files from different photographers that you could just open the raw files, all right, and you'll be able to download. Look at this. All right, they'll put some information that if you want to get the images, send a mail to this, and they are going to give you access to use their images on your portfolio. All right, so this is a photographer's image of a white lady. All right, so you can have access to these images to practice and also have it on your portfolio. So, but whenever you use images that are not yours, because in retouching you don't own the image, so you're not supposed to put your watermark on it except they permit you. All right, so you can use it on your portfolio site. You can, your website, your Instagram, your Behance page. You can put the images there, but make sure you don't watermark them except they allow you, except you take permission, because in retouching we don't own the right to the images. Okay, so this is a place where you can get even product images, product pictures. You can see lots of pictures you can practice with. So just scroll through, you can see lots of images here. All right, lots of raw files you can practice with, and you'll be able to share your results. You can see this, people sharing their results, and it's a community where you can be able to get reviews for what you edit, and you can post it and get reviews. So if you want to get more, or you want to learn more about that, you can drop a comment in the comment section, and I can tell you more about how to use Modem Mayhem. But just go to the website and you know what to do. So let's move on to the next one. So the next is you need to market your skill. So after developing yourself, after building a portfolio, you need to market your skill. All right, one place to market your skill is Fiverr.com. I know a lot of us have heard of Fiverr. So yes, you can see I have a Fiverr account. All right, so you can see I've been on Fiverr since 2015. Even though I don't use Fiverr so much, you can see my last delivery is about 6 months ago. I don't use this so much. It was only in 2019 I actually used Fiverr so much, and um, you can see my earnings. You can see just about $1,000 from Fiverr.com, and these are all retouching jobs. All right, so Fiverr.com is a place where you can create. If you want to know more about Fiverr, drop a comment and I will talk more about how to set up your Fiverr account. Then another place you can also market your skill is Upwork.com. Upwork.com is just like Fiverr. It's a freelance website where you can also be able to market your skill as a photographer, retoucher, graphic designer, any skill you can deliver. So Upwork has that to offer. So for me, you can see my Upwork, see how much I've earned in a few months. I've used Upwork. I actually used Upwork and Fiverr a lot in 2019. 2020, because of the lockdown, I got into online trainings. I was so busy, I didn't have time for all this my freelance website anymore. So but you can see I made a little above $2,000 from Upwork.com. So another place you can also market yourself is on Instagram. All right, you can reach out to photographers that you know that are busy. Tell them that you can do a sample edit for them to show your work, so that you can be retouching for them. And also you can reach out to your friends that you know that are also photographers, and tell them that you are available to offer your service as a retoucher to them, and it will also help you grow. So those are the places I feel, if you really want to market yourself: Fiverr, Upwork, Instagram, and your one-on-one, you'll be able to market yourself. Then the next thing is how to receive payments, because now you have marketed yourself on Instagram, you've chatted with somebody that is in Dubai, chatted with somebody that is in the US. How can they pay you? All right, taking Nigeria as a case of study, a lot of us will have challenges on how to receive money. All right, so I'm going to recommend a couple of websites you need to register to be able to make, to be able to receive payment from. All right, one of them is Payoneer. So Payoneer is actually an alternative to PayPal, because with PayPal we cannot receive payment. All right, so but there are still some pros and cons about Payoneer. But if you want to learn more about this payment method, just drop a comment in the comment section. I will consider making a video on that. But Payoneer is one way you can receive money. All right, another way you can receive money is through WordRemit. WordRemit.com is a website where somebody can send money directly to your local bank account. All right, another one is TransferWise. With TransferWise, all right, I didn't write it here, I don't have the site open, but TransferWise is another one. Then SendWave, you can do SendWave cash pickup. All right, somebody can send you money and you go and pick up the cash through SendWave. All right, you can also use Flutterwave. You can set up payment link to somebody and the person can pay you with their debit card. All right, you can also use Paystack to do similar stuff, set up payment, and they will pay with their debit card. And you can also do that with seller.co. You can also sell, your service to somebody, setting up a payment link that they can pay you through. So these are the websites you can use to be able to receive payment, most especially if you're in Nigeria and you want to receive payment from people from other parts of the world. Although you can receive payment through Bitcoin, through but that will be a little shady because people are scared of Bitcoin. Not everybody are so open to the cryptocurrency world, and however, it is currently banned in Nigeria. So, these other methods I've shown you, they are really, really trusted and genuine ways you can receive money that won't give your customer any stress. You don't want a situation where the customer wants to send you money, the person has to go through a lot of stress. So another thing you could also do is that if you have a trusted person who lives in the US, that has a PayPal, the person can receive money and then transfer the money through any of these means for you, so that your customer will not be stressed. So these are the things you need to know if you want to make money from retouching. So if you love this video, please click the like icon and then subscribe so that you can see more videos, and then make sure you click on the bell notification to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Now if you want to learn more, any questions, please drop in the comment section, because I read every comment in the comment section. I'm going to respond to you. So thank you for watching this video, and do enjoy the rest of your day.